Hey guys, so I just want to describe the other feature of quick messages. So if you saw the previous videos, sometimes you will repeat what you asked the AI. For example, you want to know exactly, what manipulation might happen, or specific questions about like all the chart data that you have. So I'll quickly give you an example. Let me just create a quick chat. And then I'll create a quick chat. I have my chart open. This is just a 30-minute NASDAQ chart. And I'll just do one quick analysis just so we have it in there. And then once that's done, I'll show you the quick messages. So if you saw the previous videos, the AI has your trading plan. And within your trading plan, and you can have multiple, you can have a quick message. This is just simply text that you save within your trading plan to just click and it will send. Now the AI has all the chart data, it has your trading plan, and then it has this message. So for example, you're like, did a stop hunt just occur recently, or what sort of manipulation might occur? So for example, you'll go into trading plan. You will get a default one like this, but you can configure it. I'll edit it. I'll go to the quick messages all the way to the second to last one. And then let's just say like 3 options. Give me 3 options right now. What sort of manipulation might happen? What stop hunt might occur? And where's the main objective liquidity right now? And so you can type whatever you want. Like here, I had a previous one, just give me 3, like a Judas swing, a swing failed pattern reversal, a direct draw, just go straight down. And pretty much you can type in whatever you want. And so here, I'll just save that real quick. Top right-hand side, go back to dashboard. It will load your most recent chat. And so that's a test message. You'll just see like whatever name you did. And then let's just say, okay, 3 options. This will just save you so much time instead of typing out certain questions that always come up. Like, what manipulation should I watch out for? What stop hunts should happen? And blah, blah, blah. So you have, once again, you can run like a lot. I always recommend 6 or 7 AI image analysis, minimum 6, before you take a trade, because we're trying to get the data within the chat. We're trying to get, like a 30-minute view, a 1-hour view, a 15-minute view, and all of this will one, give you a trade idea, but now all this data and all this thinking is within the chat. So you have like everything, supply zones, demand zones. If you want an ICT one, run the smart money concepts one. Now it will have like all the order blocks, fair value gaps, IFGs, whatever. So you can just simply push this, or if like you have a question like about your trading plan, like, did you see this within my trading plan, and you don't want to type it out all the time, save it as a quick message and just push the button. It's going to save you so much time. I'll do another one right here. So this is my other message right here. And we'll just do that one. So just click the button. It just sends it as a text. And this is a way for you to like kind of customize this. One, it's customizable because it has your trading plan. So if you look for certain criteria, the AI has all this data, and you can ask it if it matched anything within your trading plan, or you can just simply click one of these buttons that you save as a quick message, and the AI will compare, your text that you sent with all the chart data and give you a response. So here, blah, 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 like scenario 1 there, scenario 2 here, scenario 3 here, which is my saved message, and etc. So, that's really how you're going to save a lot of time as a trader, because things move fast. Markets are always moving. You do have the auto capture, so you can run 3 of them. Change time frame, take a screenshot. While it's analyzing, change to another time frame. Use quick messages to get quick answers, and then confirm with your eyes what's happening. NASDAQ futures came down here. Looks like it wasn't able to break. Reversed. Now there was some previous analysis back up at the 0.5. It could come back up here and then come back down. Or obviously if it goes above that, it will keep going. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of quick messages. Hopefully this video helped. If you want to sign up, it's MyTradingBuddy.ai.